Alright guys, part 4 or 5, whatever the hell this is. I'm gonna try and sit on this thing and go for a ride. Oh, this is not gonna go well. Oh my god, it's going! It's going! I can even steer! Whee! Oh my god! It needs a stronger steering servo. It has a hard time steering with me on it, but it was totally driving by itself. Oh, that's too funny! Alright, I will definitely get somebody to outside cam this. That's just great. That's just fucking funny. Anyway, guys, I'll get back to you on that.